We will be making bulgur rice today. Let's pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan. Let's now add a finely chopped onion to it and sauté it. I am sprinkling some salt over the onion as it would quicken the sautéing. After 2 minutes, let's add a chopped red pepper to the pan. A minute later, let's add 2 cups of bulgur to it. I am frying the bulgur for a minute too. I am making sure I stir it constantly so that it doesn't burn. After a minute, I am adding chopped tomatoes to this mix and lowering the heat. Let's stir it a few times and sprinkle some more salt if you'd like. You do not have to add salt if you prefer not to. I am now adding a tablespoon of butter and mixing everything thoroughly. I am leaving the lid on for a minute, but stirring the ingredients now and then until the tomatoes soften and start melting. Now let's add 2 cups of water to the pan. In total, we will add 4 cups of it. I will add the last 2 cups when the former gets absorbed by the bulgur. I am adding half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano to the pan. Let's mix everything once more. On low heat with the lid on, I am leaving it to simmer. You can stir it from time to time if you'd like. I added 4 cups of water in total. Now our bulgur is ready, so let's turn off the heat. I am covering it with paper towels under its lid to let it steep for 15 minutes. Enjoy!